Hello everybody. I thought I would hop on and show you how I organize some of my sewing and handbag hardware supplies. I use these containers, storage boxes that I get from Home Bargains here in the UK. If you're not in the UK, I'm sure you could find similar boxes to these on Amazon or even better, Temu, where they will be really inexpensive. These ones, if you're in the UK, are made by a brand called Handmade with Love. It's a storage box with dividers. They're 35 by 22 by 5 centimeters. And they also have on these boxes a measuring tape. It measures from 0 to 12 inches. So this one here, this is how they are, and they have all these different divider boxes inside. Let's see, it's 4, 8, 12, 16, 18, 20 little spaces for you to put in hardware, jump rings, D-rings, charms, what have you. So let's see what I'm storing in some of my boxes. Snap closure. And this box here, oh, I love it. It looks so pretty and so inviting. I have an assortment of hardware. I have some zipper pulls. This is this one. Glorious. I have some jump rings. I have hair bobbles that I use as a holder for some of the smaller wristlets. I have here the D-ring with a swivel connector. I have smaller ones, smaller lobster claw hooks. I have some magnets in here for making bags with. So there's an assortment of things in there. So you see how it's all spaced out. I took a divider out from here to make more space for the hair bubbles. Really great. I love it. And snap it closed. So it's sealed, safe. This box holds lots of zipper pulls. More rings for handbag making. Plenty of space. I love it. I love the way it looks. And in this box, I have lots of charms. In here, I have some key rings, all separated from the zipper pulls. I have these little charms that can be attached to a zipper pull. Oh, sweet cherry blossom flower. Sweet butterfly, so cute. And this key ring that can attach to a handbag with the violin and some musical notes. So that one. And then this one, I have some more hardware for making wristlets and some random bits and pieces. And so, yeah, these boxes, they cost about £3 each. And again, they can be found on Amazon, Home Goods in the UK, Temu, most likely Walmart if you're in the States. And they are very, very convenient for holding and keeping all our accessories and hardware pieces for handbag making nice and in order. And easy to reach and grab. And I love to see what I have. I love that the box is clear and I can just see about, because out of sight, out of mind, right? Especially when you're going through the menopause and you have ADHD, it's just not helpful. And I find these boxes very helpful, and I hope you will too. Okay guys, bye. See you next one.